Hi guys, so I know it's a little bit new that we're vlogging throughout the week. It's a Wednesday today and it's Thursday today and it's Vainga's birthday, as I told you guys. And I did say that I was going to bring the mocktails, and for those of you who don't know, mocktails is a mockery of cocktails, non-alcoholic beverages. So I just printed a list of different mocktails that we can make. I'm just going to pick some of the easy ones as well. And I'm really leaning towards the pina colada. I'm only going to make maybe 2 of the list of 10 that I've got here. It's so bright, eh honey? Everyone say hi to Aussie because you didn't see him last time.
Hi.
And tell them why you weren't in it.
I'm busy at work.
No you weren't.
Yeah.
On Sunday?
Sunday, I'm so busy to move something inside the house.
So we could go for the Cinderella or Virgin Mary.
Holly was like, do not invite this, and I was like, oh, don't even worry, they're not inviting.
Birthday girl!
Say hi. I don't even know, just love whatever.
Find it in the stove.
Hey guys, so I finally made it. I've got all of my ingredients here. Also got non-alcoholic beverage for the birthday girl. And I also made a pina colada. These, once again, are non-alcoholic, okay? Can I make that very clear? This is an underage party. Okay, go. Tell me what it tastes like.
It has coconut in it. Drink it. Drink it. Oh,
Water?
I can taste the pineapple with the coconut. It has a little coconut.
That's what alcohol tastes like, girls. That's what that's what alcohol tastes like. This is pretty good. So give it to your friends. Pina colada.
Pina colada.
It's actually pretty good.
It has coconut in it?
Yep.
Love it.
And pineapple. Are you all just smells like Siaosi. She all on me.
I'm tired.
Boy.
Dance, this is your birthday.
Are you sure? It's not even alcohol.
Here. Hey, Yada.
Hey, God. Why you smoking? Why you smoking?
Guys, If you're hiring a mocktail maker, call me. So far I've made a pina colada and a safe sex on the beach. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Okay, drink it now. Yeah, it's good actually. I just want to reiterate, there is no alcohol in this whatsoever. So the alcohol has been removed on that one, but it tastes so real. That's mine, but you can have it.
She always goes. But I mean, they're drinks letting us out.
Actually, that's a good mocktail.
Siaosi went home because it's a girls' party and he didn't want to intrude. So he went home, my poor darling. How does it feel? How does it feel to be 16 in less than 24 hours?
17. This is so good. Oh my gosh, taste it. But I can't take any more inside of me.
Để Sophie áp lực camera. Boleh.
Yeah, how do you say hello?
Shona half in the belly. In the belly.
You know Shona.
Shona, you can say a lot of things. You can say Makadi.
Yeah, Makadi.
Yeah.
Makadi.
Yeah.
Makadi.
Yeah.
Nanti I already do that.
Where are you from?
Caribbean.
Ooh, Rihanna!
What?
Oh, isn't she? I swear she is. She's from the Caribbean.
And where are you from?
Croatia.
How do you say hello?
I don't know.
Alright, where are you from, Sio? Where are you from? And how do you say hello? We're having so much fun at our party. Y'all just wish you were here, right? Right? What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name? My name's Lilma.
Lilma. And where are you from? Tonga.
Play music video. Wait, a music video.
But don't take me for granted. So much.
That's for her channel. Oh, my
Aqui, como é que é o faz?
Siaosi just came for the food.
Aí vou ficar com vocês.
Siaosi, do you want me to make you a pina colada?
You can make me one.
Mickey, look what happened. They're pretending to be drunk and then recording it. What about even though she was like, she just didn't.
Siamo, you love garlic bread.
What's Sia?
I forgot to put the ice in the fridge.
Hey! Oh my god! Bakal basket. Iya, bangun dah. Mama.
Mario.
Nah, have you?
What are? Go, just drink it. It's got no alcohol in it.
It's just a drink, just drink it.
What a liar! She's like. Well, you guys have never tasted a real pina colada, that's why you don't know. That's why they don't know the taste, because I've never tasted one before. But I did in my old life, okay guys? Not my new life.
Oh, it's my Lauma at her on Instagram, lauma.luce. I mean lauma.pua.
What? You said it wrong.
Can't stop being so picky. Flip it up, friend. This way. Let's film this way. Beautiful, my ass.
Go, go, go! Oh, he's throwing it up there, the camera. I missed it.
You fat.
Guys, probably gonna call it a night for tonight. And yeah, the battery's about to die. So we just want to say we love you guys. Thank you for watching. But we hope you enjoyed it. And comment down below. Happy birthday, Va'ainga. Happy 16th birthday, B. Just call it B.
B. Thank you guys for coming along with us. We love you so much.
B. And I hope you guys like my pina coladas. If you want the recipe, comment down below. I love you.